Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and experimental channels on the Windows Insiders are now truly testing and running what is 26H2, which is the next version of Windows coming up later this year. It's a set of features that will slowly roll to your PC but not be turned on yet. And when the enablement package arrives, it will actually turn these features on. We got to look at a few features that actually appeared on the Insider. One of the first things to show is that it shows you that the Windows 11 here is now says that this is 26H2. So it's the first thing that tells you that we're actually in the development cycle for the next version of Windows. And a couple of interesting things. For example, this is what the privacy and security page looks like right now on Windows 11. And this is on my PC here. But there's going to be a change. This is how it's going to look like come 26H2. They'll kind of reprocess what's there and the way it's actually showing up, including the Windows security at the top there of the page. So this is going to be interesting to see all the other differences that are going to be in the security panel and the privacy panels also. Also, what's coming up, those that were asking for it, look at that. Taskbar position, bottom, top, left, or right. You'll have the ability to move your taskbar wherever you want. This will be in the settings. So this is quite cool for those that are waiting for these features. There's a lot more that will be added, including resizable taskbar, and it's actually going to be possibly better than what Windows 10 was giving you as possibilities because it will have more options. So all of that slowly being tested right now, and officially we're going and marching forward to 26H2. That will be arriving later this year. It's the second half, so there's no official date. Some say as early as August. It could be, of course, as late as, October, November. It depends on what they are going to share with us and how many new features and the tweaking, the testing that goes on with it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.